What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today we are doing an unboxing on one of my favorite Type-C multimedia hubs with 8 ports, and it also has a power delivery connection, which allows me to hook up my device and power it at the same time. I love it. Now, I used to have one of these devices, but I lost it, so I had to replace it. I picked this guy up at B&H. Retail price is around $79.99, but there is an instant rebate of $20, so a total around $59.99. I'm not including taxes on that. So a couple of things I love about this particular multimedia device: it supports HDMI 4K. It has an Ethernet port, gigabit. Obviously has the Type-C connection, which allows me to do power over delivery. OTG, which stands for on-to-go devices. And last but not least, it supports USB 3.0, which is great. So let's get the trusty knife out. Awesome. We're going to open it up real quick so you guys could take a quick look. Ooh, how simple is that? A couple of the devices that you can hook up. It works extremely well with those MacBook laptops that have that Type-C connection, and for Android devices as well as the iPad Pro. Anything with a Type-C connection. Cool. All right, so we are going to open it up. We can go to the top right here. Slice up. Hopefully I don't slice my hand. Where is it? I can't find. Oh, whoa. What was that? It's like that's glued. All right, so we're going to play it safe. We're going to go to the bottom. There we go. That was much quicker. Yeesh, top part is kind of dangerous. All right, let's take it out. What? All right, nothing else. What's in here? Nothing. It's just the magnets that allows you to... Boop. Awesome. All right, so what comes inside the box? We have, it looks like a manual, instructions, a quick instruction manual for the multimedia hub adapter, 8 ports, technical supports. If you have any issues, call this particular number, blah, blah, blah. Awesome. It gives you a nice little legend for the Ethernet. Orange LED light indicates that the Ethernet cable has been connected. The white LED lights flickering indicates that the data is being transmitted. Okay, awesome. In the back, more instructions, especially if you are dealing with a Mac laptop. Awesome. And the device. Ooh, how pretty. So we got the Type-C connection right here. Beautiful. You have your SD card slots, your micro SD card slot. You have your 2 3.0 USB ports. Awesome. And the very front, you have your Ethernet or gigabit Ethernet RJ45 port. Awesome. You have your Type-C connection. This is where you connect your power. You have an additional 3.0 USB port, and last but not least, you have your HDMI. Ooh, cool. Like I said before, I used to have one of these guys, but I lost it. The price is great, and let's hook it up to my device. All right, so I have my iPad Pro right here. I have the EasyQuest multimedia hub right there. So far, the only thing that I connected was my HDMI. I have my power cable, my Type-C power connector connected to the power surge, because I need to power this guy on. It's off the power, no power, right? Running on the battery. So I'm gonna plug this guy up. Let me see if I can plug it up with one hand. See how smooth I am. Probably can't do it with one hand and hold the camera. Let's see. Oh, nice. All right, so at the very top with the iPad, it automatically tells you that something's connected here, which is the hub. And the HDMI is actually connected to this monitor, so now it's being displayed. How awesome is that? So if I move it, it is moving. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, the only reason that I love this hub so much is that I'm able to connect my power into the hub, and this guy will continuously charge. So I'm going to plug it in, see if I'm able to plug it in while holding the camera with you guys, because you know that's pretty hard. There it goes. It's connected. Beautiful. And if we go to the iPad, go to the top right here, we're going to see that lightning bolt, and it's That tells me right there it is charging. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I love this setup. I use this a lot when I am capturing footage on my iPad or on my phone. I had to replace this guy because I lost the original one that I had. Sad face. Again, retail price for this guy is $79.99. But I purchased it in B&H and I got an instant rebate of $20 off, which a total of $59.99, but plus tax and everything is going to be like $60 and some change. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing on the EasyQuest Multimedia Hub. If you have any concerns or comments or questions, leave them at the bottom. Don't forget about hitting that thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.